Oh. What's up, my beautiful souls? Y'all, you will never believe where I'm at. Wait. I was gonna try to be funny, but look, the sign right there. I booked the hotel room, and the only reason I booked the hotel room is because I'm obviously looking a mess right now. And I want to be able to do my hair and get facial and remove like facial hair and stuff like that. I have to straighten out the back of my house, girl, because it's a mess. And I know y'all like, girl, your house is always a mess. Girl, it is, girl. My mind is a mess.
You're so far. 3 miles.
Never thought you had so much to say. Never thought that I'd see the day when we don't know supposed to lie.
Y'all listen to what Tank said. It's me. Ah.
Girl, you told me, but I wish I didn't know. It's like I'm lost, never being found.
Ah, he was hurt. Baby, mama had to pee, so I had to make a little pit stop. But look at this, y'all. Ain't this nice? Like, look at that. Ain't this just nice? But I'm hungry, so I'm about to get a little bite to eat. They had some tacos in there, and I was like, delicioso. I'll see y'all in the bed. Okay, so I couldn't get any tacos because the little taco stand thing closed at 3 o'clock. Bummer. But I guess I'll just get like some little chips or something. I don't know what kind that I want though. Like, I'm such a big bag. Everything sounds good. So I'm gonna get some Ghost Snaps. Y'all like these? These are bomb. If you ain't never had them before, definitely go try them. This is what I hate about coming to convenience stores because there's so many options. Like, ooh, they got yogurt pretzels. I don't want that. Not me sweating, child. Okay, so I just set it on. And even though I don't need it because I'm already as big as one. And I should have got a water. Shoulda, coulda, wouldas. And a Snapple. Okay, so I'm here and it is literally 8:55. And it is my car and another car in this parking lot. So, child, I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Oh, well, there's another car over there. But yeah, like, I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. So just so y'all didn't think I was playing, look, I'm kind of scared to show something because it looked like that man over there at the counter is watching me for real. But look, for real, it's nobody else out here. Y'all, I'm not trying to be weird, but look. Is he just standing there watching me? Or is he just, bro, what the fuck? So the room isn't bad, but this is what it looks like. Hold on, let me turn some more lights on. Okay, that's this over here, the sink and everything. I don't like this. Why is the light so red? It's just for one night. It's just for one night. Let me pull this blind down. Bitch, does the blind not go the fuck down? Hold on. Good morning, guys. I don't think we're gonna make the sunrise because I overslept. I went to bed late last night trying to get my hair and my feet and stuff together, child. But let me get up and start getting ready to at least try to make it. Bad news is we definitely missed the sunrise. Good news is I'm almost done. So bear with me. They tell me what hasn't this bag up for? And there's a huge hole on the side. I can't determine on if I want to do this or if I should just wear this. You know, I'll just wear this to the beach. I'll just wear this to the beach. Okay, so I decided that I'm gonna wear the long scarf. And that's gonna be so cute and so tea. Oh my God, I can't wait. So, see y'all in a second. I am hungry and I haven't eaten anything all day. So before we head to the beach, I'm gonna go in this place called Stanley's General Store. Hopefully they have some alcohol in here because I want to drink and I want to get a little litty and get in the water. So I'll see you guys inside. We got twisted teas. Should I get a whole case? I should get a whole case, shouldn't I? I mean, why not? Like a whole case? We're gonna get a whole case. I got the little beach permit, so we should be good. We should be good, girl. And the lady was telling me, because I wanted to park like on the beach, and she was like, I wouldn't recommend it. She said that even people who have like 4-wheel drive even get their car stuck on the beach. And baby, I don't have time to be stuck on the beach 5 hours away from home. Because who the freak gonna get me out? I'm a sweaty mess. Trying to get content for y'all. I dropped my phone in the sand dune. Baby. Let me go sit my ass down. Y'all, I don't know about this day. This is the second puddle that I'm gonna have to walk through just to get to the beach. Girl. I should have just took my shoes off. Let me just take my shoes off. Because this is ghetto. I gotta go through all of this just to get to the beach, girl. with socks on. No swimming. What's the reason for coming out here? I mean, you're supposed to risk your life. It's the beach. Those currents are crazy. Unless you're a mermaid, you're not surviving that. Just imagine how far out it would take you. Ooh, girl at me. Baby, almost got me. You know, I almost didn't come out here. I was like, it's the beach. It's going to be so many people. There isn't going to be any privacy, but there's barely anyone out here. Like, you have a few people, but other than that, this is nice. Well, this is what I needed. A nice little getaway. Honey, I don't know if we can have this out here, but it's too late because, baby, the can has already been popped. Oh! Oh! I really hope that you guys can hear me. You know, I gripe and complain sometimes, but I'm really blessed. Although I hate my job and I'm going to gripe and complain, I'm just human. It's human nature for us to do those things, but I really am blessed. I can really do whatever I want. And one day, maybe not right now, but one day, this